Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video. This will be a triple unboxing on how I complete the look. So if y'all want to see, keep on watching.
I see you look good out on makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face.
Alright ladies and gents, thank y'all so much for clicking on my face, my thumbnail, my channel, and tuning into another video from your girl Jazz, also known as Jazz the Fashionista, also known as The Completed Look. Of course, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are growing and glowing in 2025 and I'm on the road to 5K. And also make sure that you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I'm also on LTK. And these items that I mentioned and unboxed with y'all will also be on there too. So without further ado, let's get right into this triple unboxing of some goodies that I got over the last few weeks, and I wanted to just curate one video unboxing everything. And it's just going to be how I complete the looks when I am looking for staples in my collection to put them all together and make these looks for y'all. So let's get right into the first one. This is actually enveloping is not an unboxing at all, but let's get into the first item. This comes from the Coach outlet, and based off the size, y'all know that it is going to be an accessory and not a handbag. Because one thing about me is I'm more intentional on, well, I have been for some time now, intentional on the handbags that I add to my collection, because as y'all can see behind me, I do have a lot of handbags in my collection. I want to make sure I give all the handbags the love, because it's like I'm spending this money on the bags, but I also want to make sure I get my cost per wear out of them, even if I get them on sale. Even if I get them as a gift, I want to give all my handbags some love. So without further ado, let's get into the first reveal. Like I mentioned, this comes from Coach outlet. I picked this up and y'all can tell that it is a corner zip wristlet. You know your girl loves these. I don't love the new prices that they have come out with. I think they are $39 for like the classic colors. And I guess if it has more prints on it or more embellishing, I can see those going up in price. Whether we want to or not, Coach is going to be going up in price. But let me reveal this to y'all. Honestly, I kind of high-key did order the wrong thing. I thought that this was going to be the like leather material. This is the jacquard material for the corner zip bracelet. And y'all, after taking it out, I don't know if I love this. So honestly, this might be an item that I return and I'll just go ahead and get the leather version to it. Of course, I wanted something olive to go with my olive Rowan satchel. And I have bags here that I wanted to show y'all. But as you can see, how are we feeling about this jacquard material? I don't know how I feel about it. It's definitely given like a dark gray, like it's not given like a true dark green that I wanted. I also have my Marc Jacobs. I feel like this, it complements well. Like, see that, it doesn't look bad. And then when I compare it with my corner zip wristlet, this would complement each other. Wrong way. This would complement each other. But yeah, I don't love this. So honestly and truly, this will be my first Coach outlet return ever. Like, yeah, this is gonna have to go. Actually, I take that back. Y'all remember my Georgia Gem crossbody when they sent me a defective bag? But that was like, what, 5 years ago now? But yeah, I don't love it. Wow. But y'all know I'm gonna keep it real. But I did order the wrong thing, so that is on me. So I'm gonna see if I can actually just get a credit for it and get the one that I truly want. If I have to make another order, that's cool. Whatever I have to do. But yeah, don't love it. So this is a no for me. So, ooh, y'all, we starting a little shaky, but I promise it's gonna get better and better as we get through this unboxing. So I'm kind of glad that I got that one out the way, and I'm not keeping it if I don't love it, you know. Like, after I just looked at that, I'm like, yeah, because I didn't realize until I think last week that it was the jacquard material, because I thought I got the leather one. And I'll post a picture of the one that I want on the side so y'all can see that one speaks to me more. But anyway, we're gonna keep on moving. Let's get into move my tags, and let me turn y'all just a little. Yeah, and let's get into the next item. Y'all think there's a bag in here? Nope, it's not. So I was on the Coach outlet, of course, minding my business, and I came across these shoes and I was like, oh, I can see this going with a few, handbags in my collection, and just, completing the looks when it comes to the outfits. Because I feel like once you have the bag and the matching shoes to like complement it, or shoes in general that complement it, you have a great set, and it's going to make you want to wear, that outfit, and of course wear your items. So I seen this on the Coach outlet, y'all, and the price, I was like, wait, what? So y'all, I got these espadrilles. I'll have the exact name down below somewhere here. But y'all, these were $59.60. I was like, absolutely, let's go ahead and add it to cart. How cute are these? Love them so much. Like, I love a good espadrille, y'all. Like, I have a few from Tory Burch. And I was like, let's go ahead and add another Coach one, because I do have the denim. I think they're called the Camilla espadrilles, like platform loafers. But these, it has some height with it, and I love the signature vibe. And this is the maple color, I believe. And y'all, I'm trying to see. Oh no, they don't. So this video is not going as planned, but it's just gonna be an unboxing, but I'm gonna make it work. But I thought these shoes would match my Coach Aria bag. So far, none of the stuff that I got is matching. Hopefully the last one does. But this is not this is not going as planned. But I think I'm just gonna call this I got it on sale. Like I got it on sale from Coach outlet, or I got it on sale and it's all Coach. But this was the next item. I thought that this would be a perfect match, and honestly it is not. So this is the Coach Aria shoulder bag, and I promise y'all, I thought these were going to be the perfect match, but as you can see, they are absolutely not the perfect match. But nonetheless, I'm still happy to have these shoes in my collection. I feel like they are different. I don't have nothing like this at all. I like the maple vibe. I feel like it's a great neutral. So even if I wear this with like a white top, like what I'm wearing now, some jeans and this top, and I don't have any maple handbags in my collection. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like my Damier Ebene, or maybe I could do my Speedy with this. That would be a cute outfit. My Speedy in the Damier Ebene that I'm still currently borrowing from my mom, or my Alma BB. I don't know. I'm going to put something together. But yeah, y'all, I thought that this is not the completed look. I won't wear these two together. So that was another fail, but it's okay. But I am happy to have these shoes. I will do mod shots at the end so y'all can see how they look on me. But yeah, these are cute. And I know all the Coach shoes that I have in my collection are comfortable. So no complaints, from sneakers to sandals to espadrilles. I love Coach shoes. Yes, ma'am. So another cutesy pair. And honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, like I said, this is a good neutral. So I don't necessarily have to do like a brown handbag with this. Honestly, I can do any color handbag and just let this be a neutral with wearing a neutral outfit. Y'all know I usually love my color and all that stuff, but I could do like a nude blouse. I can do a white blouse. I can pull this together. I can pull a look together without having a matching handbag to go with it perfectly. So she's a keeper still. $59.60. I'm still going to keep this shoe, period. All right, y'all. Last but not least, I did some girl math with these. I did have some Capital One rewards, so I was able to get a discount, gift card from Zappos. And I was like, let's go ahead and get some cutesy Coach shoes. Now this is also new for me. Like I said, I have sandals, espadrille, sneakers, but I don't have like heels from Coach. So I wanted to try out something new. So let's get into my last unboxing, and hopefully this will complete the look with the items that I have in store in my collection, because so far one thing is going back and the other one wasn't the color that I thought it was going to be to go with my Coach Aria bag. But now let's get into the last one. Oh, these are so cute. So y'all, these are the Margot sandals. How cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. I will of course do mod shots for these as well. And I just think that this is also a perfect neutral. Y'all, these are definitely giving like the LV vibes with their sandals. Like, but this is cute. Like, yes, ma'am. Look at that. So I will definitely do the mod shots for y'all. Look at the details in it. It says Coach right there. Not high at all, so I'm sure they won't be uncomfortable. Very cutesy. Signature C's. Yes, ma'am. Very cute. So I actually got these on Zappos, and usually these retail for $195, but Zappos had them for $175, and then I had like my gift card with the Capital One rewards. So girl math came into play. Love these so much, and I have these already linked in my LTK. Very cutesy. So I got these because I also wanted them to complement my Coach Crystal collection. So y'all know, let me show y'all. So y'all know I recently did an unboxing for the Mary Janes in the signature crystals. Very, very cutesy. Y'all know I have the trail bag, which let me move this one out the way because this one, you didn't work out. And I love this bag so much, y'all. I really thought that it was going to be a perfect match, but it's okay. We move. No, this don't really go. So I did pull this. Actually, yes, it does. So this is my penny crossbody from the outlets. And I feel like I would wear this set together. Very cutesy. Because y'all see, I feel like these browns, they're good. And this is like the burnished amber. And I think this color is called like penny, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But let's see. Would I wear these? Absolutely. I would wear these together. Very cutesy. Yes, ma'am. And it's not exact, but I feel like it still completes the look. So that is okay. So we're getting somewhere. We're making some progress. Once I get the correct corner zip wristlet and that olive green, we gonna make up. We gonna make up for some stuff. And the drop is coming, so I know the other items from the last drop, those will start to go on sale. If you know, you know. Once another drop comes, the previous drop, those stuff tend to go on sale. But let's see how this compliments. Yes, ma'am. We have a winner. Very cutesy. So like this is like gonna be the date night vibe. So I feel like this set is like cute for like a mall run. Very cute. Doing errands, cute brunch, or even this could be for brunch or date night vibes. Very cute. But I also wanted these shoes because they did have the crystal ones, but I don't think they had my size or they weren't on Zappos. And that's why I didn't get it. And of course, like I said, I want to do girl math. And y'all know recently I did get this beautiful bag. So I was like, this will do. And what do we think, y'all? Yes, ma'am. So as I mentioned in my other video, y'all, this bag. Love this bag, y'all. I cannot wait to wear this. Like, I cannot wait. Like, I'm definitely wearing this to work. Before I start my PTO, I gotta give that bag some love. But like I said in the video when I did the unboxing for the kiss lock, the large crystal kiss lock, I definitely want to do a video where I dedicate to how I style that bag. So far we are on the right track when it comes to the shoes that I picked up. I feel like this is going to be a great match. Of course, I already have the Mary Janes. So yeah, y'all, overall the video wasn't a fail, but it was just kind of like a oh, you thought. And that's the thing when it comes to the stock photos. They are misleading at times. But nonetheless, I'm happy with the items. This one definitely going to get returned. So I'm going to start a return on this because, yeah, this is definitely giving like gray vibes. And that's not what I want. And I'm not going to settle for it. And I just noticed it does have silver hardware on it too. But yeah, y'all. But yes, short and sweet. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, all of these items will be linked. But honestly, the espadrilles, when I last checked them out, I think they had like a size 7.5. So it's like they're in and out with that because of course the shoes are marked down to like under $60, which is still a good deal. But yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy and stay tuned for the mod shots and I will see y'all in another video. Love y'all. Bye. All right, y'all. So sometimes when things don't work out, it's actually for the better because I was able to put so many looks together with the shoes. Even though they didn't match the Aria shoulder bag, they did go with a lot of other bags in my collection, so we'll get into it. And y'all let me know down below what y'all think.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're sure to start for a sign. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy. I don't know, but I can have you around you.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead?